Hello, good evening, students. Today we are going to start the thermodynamics. So, dear student, we have to understand what is meaning of thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics is the branch of physical chemistry, student. Okay, branch of physical chemistry. And what it is dealing, student? Okay, branch of physical chemistry. What it is dealing? Which deals with branch of physical chemistry, which deals with what? Interconversion of heat. Okay, interconversion of interconversion of heat into what is called physical process and chemical process. Physical process and chemical process. So, dear student, when you are talking about this, so what we are going to understand in this, that when the physical process is happening, suppose we are having ice, student, and it is converting into, that is water. Okay, so how much heat is changing, student, how much energy is changing, that will comes under the physical thermodynamics, that is physical process and physical thermodynamics. And similarly there is a chemical thermodynamics. Suppose we are burning the carbon in the presence of air, and it is giving carbon dioxide plus heat. So, dear student, how much heat is getting generated? How you will be able to understand with the help of the chemical thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics is nothing but it is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the interconversion of heat into physical process and chemical process. Now, student, to study the heat into physical and chemical process, what we have to understand, we have to select the system. Okay, on which we can do the some thermodynamic study, student. We have to select the system to do the thermodynamic study. So let us have the no term, student. First term is, that is system. Okay, system. So system is what is, student? It is smallest portion. Okay, smallest portion of universe, smallest portion of universe which is selected for thermodynamic study. Dear student, that is what, suppose we are having the huge amount of gas, but what we are doing, if you are taking a particular fixed amount of container and you are doing the study of that particular amount, that is what is known as the system. Suppose what I am doing, student, I have the uh, water in the thermos, student. This is the thermos, student. Okay, this is, we are having the thermos, and we have filled it this with water, student. Okay, this is all, this is thermos. Now in this thermos, what we are going to study, if you are studying the study of this water molecule, if you are studying, trying to study the water molecule, so this fixed portion, this fixed portion, thermos is the fixed portion. So this is what is known as, what is, student, this is known as system, right? But water is there in the river, that is not a system. So smallest portion which is selected for thermodynamic study. Thermodynamic study means effect of heat, temperature, pressure. So that will be what, the system. Now another term is there, student, that is surrounding. Okay, surrounding. So surrounding means what, student? Except system. Except system. Okay, except system. Remaining part is, okay, student. Except system. Remaining part is known as surrounding. Remaining part is known as surrounding. Okay, that we have to keep in mind, student. That is, the system is there, and remaining part of the universe all is known as surrounding. Now another point is there, student. This is, I hope it will be helpful, student. That is, system is what is smallest portion. Okay, and surrounding is what other than the system is surrounding. And simply similarly they are saying that boundary, what is meaning of boundary? So if you talk about boundary, dear student, boundary, So boundary, let us have the look over it in the different way. uh, so if anyone is asking what is boundary, student, so boundary means the line. Okay, the line, it can be the imaginary or real line, the line which separate or distinguish, the line which separate the, the system and surrounding, the system and surrounding, the system and surrounding is known as what, student? Boundary. So the container, whatever the container are there, student, the wall of the container, is what is, this is whatever the wall we are having. This is what the, this is supposed to be the boundary. Outer line are supposed to be boundary, student. Okay. So that is what this is separating the, this boundary is separating between what is, student, separating between system and surrounding. That is what is known as boundary, and this can be real or imaginary. Now, the next important point which we have to understand is, student, that is what is known as types of system. That is also very important, student, that is types of thermodynamic system. So here we are writing types of system. So first system is known as, student, that is known as what? Open system. Okay. So when you are talking about open system, student, so in the open system, when you are having a system and you are hitting this, okay, if you are hitting this, so what is the possibility? And this is the surrounding, right, student? System and surrounding. So what is possibilities between system and surrounding? So if you are hitting this, student, if you are hitting this, if you are hitting this, so what will happen here? What will happen if you are hitting this? So what two things is possible, student? Firstly, the heat will be transfer. Heat will be transfer. Okay, heat will be transfer. Where is, student, heat will be transfer between, this is the system, open system. System, and this is what is, student, this line, this is what? Surrounding. So heat, that is heat. That is either you say heat or energy, it is not transfer. And similarly, when you are heating, the matter is also coming out. So that is heat and matter, you can write that is matter and, matter and heat will be transferred between what? Between V by W, between system and surrounding. System and surrounding. Okay. So this is what is the example of the open system, student. So when you are talking about example, so that is open beaker, you can say, student, or open container. Okay, anything you can say, that is open container. So open system is what, where the heat and matter or energy and matter both are getting transferred. That is what is the example of open system. Now let us have a look over the closed system, student. So when you are talking about the closed system, closed system. So the closed system, whenever you are going to study, student, so closed system, you see here, this is the system is there, student, and this system from the top, this is the close, that you keep in mind. This is what is, this is the close. This system is what, student, that is closed, and there is the boundary is also, surrounding is there. So this is what is outside is surrounding. This is surrounding, and this is the system, right, student? Now you, when you are hitting this, student, when you are hitting, so since it is closed, matter will be not transfer, student. If we talk about matter, so matter will be not transfer. Matter will be not transfer. Matter will not be transfer. Will not be transfer. Matter will not be transfer. So what is transfer, student? What is transfer if matter is not transfer? What is transfer? So heat can be transferred between system and surrounding because you are heating. So heat, if you are talking, it is reversibly, I am mentioning, student. Heat will be transferred. Heat will be transferred. Heat will be transferred. Heat will be transferred. So matter is not going to transfer, but heat will be transferred. So this is the closed system. So any example, if you are talking, so like that you can write that pressure cooker, pressure cooker. So in the pressure cooker, that is closed system. but the heat will be transferred between system and surrounding. But until or unless you open this tab, you cannot, the matter will not be transferred. So that is the pressure cooker is there, or closed bottle is there, closed bottle. Okay, bottle that should not be insulated, that is also example, student. Now next one is their isolated system. Next one is what is, student, that is known as isolated system. Isolated system. So when you are talking about isolated system, student, isolated system, so isolated system is what, where, student, in the isolated system, this is the closed system is there, that is not a issue. Okay, but on this closed system, some covering is there, student. On this closed system, there is the one layer is there, student. That insulation layer is there, student. This wall of the container is isolated container. This is what is, this is isolated. Okay, student. This is what is isolated system. Now in this system, this is isolated layer, student. Okay, or that is also you can say that is insulated layer. Insulated layer. Okay, means this layer, insulated layer, this cannot transfer heat. Okay, since it is closed, from the top it is closed, student. So what we are saying is, student, this is the surrounding. Okay, so what I am saying is, student, so since it is closed, the matter will not be transferred. If we talk about matter, so since it is closed, matter will not transfer. Since it is isolated, energy will not be transferred. Energy will not be transferred between system and surrounding. Energy will not be transferred between, BYW means between system and surrounding. And dear student, one more point is there that we have to keep in mind, that is no system is 100% isolated system. Okay. An example if you are talking about, that is thermos flask. That is thermos flask, where you are putting the hot water or hot tea. That is thermos flask is where the it is not getting cool stone after several hours. That is what is isolated system. But the note is what there, that is no system. Okay, what is, student, that is no system is 100%, no system is 100% what, isolated. Means after certain period of time it is going to it is going to what, student, after certain period of time it is going to cool. Okay, so that is what the isolated system is, student. So in the next video lecture we will try to understand the process, student, thermodynamics process, like that isobaric process, isochoric process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, isothermal reversible process, on a isothermal irreversible process. This all will be studying in the next video. And what we study in this class, students, that is we study the definition of thermodynamics, and we say that is the thermodynamics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of the interconversion of heat into its different form, or in the physical and chemical process. Physical process, I told you, that is if suppose ice is converting into water or water is converting into vapors, so how much heat is changing. So that is what is coming in the physical process chemistry, because physical process, because there is no chemical change in the water. Okay, physical, only the state of water is changing. Chemical thermodynamics, when you are talking about the heat change during the neutralization reaction, heat change during sublimation reaction, heat change during the combustion reaction, this all will be coming under the chemical thermodynamics, where we are going to calculate the amount of heat released or absorbed, this all. And next one is there types of system we study. A few terms we study, that is system, that is smallest portion which is selected for the thermodynamic study, that is what is known as system. And surrounding, other than system, is known as surrounding. And that is what is as next thing is there, student. That is the boundary is there which is separating the system and surrounding, that is what boundary. And then we study the types of system. Open system, we said, that is where the mass and energy both are getting transferred, and that is open flask is the example. And that is next is closed system, where the energy is transferred but mass is not transferred. And lastly we study isolated system, where the neither mass nor energy is transferred, okay, like that thermos flask. That is what is known as isolated system. And we study that is no system is 100% isolated, that also, because after certain times, 1 hours, 10 hours, 50 hours, 1 year, the system is going to cool down. So that is no system is 100% isolated. So this is all about the introduction of the thermodynamics, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.